Okay, so a little change of plans. So the front diff oil was looking so good and smelling good even. So I'm just gonna let it be for over the summer. Then I can do the change in the fall. But I'm going to change out the fuel filter, and I just need to remove a cover and then get to the fuel filter. Is pretty easy, and then change it out. So I got new filter. So let's do that instead. So I don't want any fuel spill in the garage. I'm gonna try and see if I can drain this. And I'm draining it straight into a bottle because it's gonna smell a lot if you just keep it in the bucket. So in a new kit, you got the filter, and you got the protector here for where the sensors goes. But there's two O-rings, one big, one small. Small one goes on the sensor here, and the big one goes on the ring here. So that's what we're going to do before we start doing anything else. Let's take him off. So you can get this O-ring off. So I don't remember when I changed out the don't remember when I changed out the fuel filter last. So but I'm guessing, I'm not sure it was done last year, because when I did an oil pump, I think only the oil filter was changed out. No service was done, so yeah. So, like so. Then the big one. So on here you can see it says drain, so this is going to be this way. Then we can screw the sensor in, which actually holds the whole drain system in place. Like so, 14 mil. That's gonna be enough. Drain is on the drain, so yeah, and it's can be open and closed. Now we just do put it back in. Yeah. There's a cable in the way. Okay, so you can see there's a lock spot here, open spot here, so you put that on that arrow here, and then when it's locked you can see the arrow here is fitting with that arrow. Next, put on back on the wire for the sensor, like so, and put on the shield. And we should be golden. So with the fuel filter in place, I'm just gonna prime the system, and the internet says just to turn the ignition, don't start the car. So I definitely can hear it moving some still making sound. Stopped. 4th time. On the 5th time, I'm gonna start. Need to check the oil. Don't like that. So it runs fine, no problem getting fuel to the front, no oil leaks, no fuel leaks, so really good. The engine fault that you saw is from the turbo, so it's the turbo actuator. I think that's getting a bit slow, so when it doesn't open in the low revs, you get that fault. So but that's gonna be a problem for after the summer, I think. Hopefully it can last that long. Yeah, get the plates back on. So I wasn't sure if I'm going to put the front bash plate on, because I need to do the oil diff later, and I'm not going to be driving any off-road until, I don't know,